And it's going to wrap up the stream, lads. Appreciate you hanging out with me on Twitch today. Peace and love. Bye. And we've stopped streaming. What's wrong, man? I just wrapped up my Twitch stream, but most of my community is over on YouTube, so it's hard, you know? So why don't you just stream on YouTube instead? YouTube doesn't have all the same functionality like Twitch does, so I do end up making the compromise, but it does cost me the viewers then, and just having fun with the community. Nah, did you not hear that YouTube have channel points now? Nah, but Susan said that wasn't coming for a while. Nah, screw Susan, man. Look, Gazelle are after making a Chrome extension and it works directly with your streamer bot. Wait, so I can have all of my Twitch channel points on YouTube? Am I speaking French? Yes, you can. All your viewers have to do is just install the Chrome extension. Alright, but look, what's the catch? How much does it cost? It's like $3 a month or something like that. I can probably do it, but any more, like, it's not really worth it. Listen here, you papega. It's completely free. You can throw a tip on their coffee page to help with the server costs and the wiki and everything like that. But yes, it's completely free. There's no commitment. Right. Okay. You've sold it. Where do I get it? I was waiting for you to ask. It's over at...